Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired on WVIP 93.5 FM radio weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. It's 2023. Martin Luther King, you died for us. Yes, he died for us. And the issues that he died for still persist today. Inequality, segregated school systems in New York City, predatory lending to our community, and the lack of affordable, low-income housing plagues our community. Immigrants that come here from black, brown countries, not treated like how white people were treated when they came here historically. Why? Well, the best answer that we could give is what? Ineffective leadership, whether it be federal, state, or local. Mayor Eric Adams went to El Paso, Texas, and it was good, but the problem is what he said or didn't say. Because Mayor Adams, he went to the National Action Network. He spoke with one of the few civil rights leaders in our community, but that issue wasn't properly addressed, Mr. Adams. Mr. Adams, Mayor Adams, if you don't know, African Americans were disenfranchised by a racist immigration policy favoring Western Europeans over black and brown people. African Americans were once 20% of the U.S. population, almost 20, 19.1, whatever, at the end of slavery. What is it today? You see, the power of voting and the power of getting our word out is important. 20 crummy Trump extremists extorted the new speaker in the Congress. Yet still, all those black and Latinos in Congress do not know how to leverage their power in Congress, or leverage their power in Albany, or leverage their power in the city council. If 20 white KKK can do this in the U.S. Congress, why can't these black and browns and quote-unquote white liberals solve our problems for us now? Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. 8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Do you think, my listenership, do you think, people out there, that any attorney represented anyone in New York State or any state in America could tell their clients, we cannot solve your problem, or we wouldn't try, or we won't be your warriors, so to speak? Why do our elected officials get away with quote-unquote murder? Is it the voters? What is it? Because New York City is a segregated public school system. And the only way out of the ghetto, out of poverty, is a proper education, a good education. But yet still, New York City public school system has remained segregated for over a decade, and it is the most segregated public school system in the country. Should we fire the new mayor or give him some more time? Should we fire those city council people? Should we fire our representations upstate New York? You know, Trump had a show. What do you call it? You're fired? KKK Russian Trump. Boy, I don't know. Who do you represent? I think you represent a lot of people in America that want to oppress us and have done so. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. We work on civil rights issues, personal injury issues, auto accidents, slip and fall, we're in the slip and fall season, as they say, wills, trust, and estate planning, succession planning. We will record your videos and audios when we prepare your wills, trust, and estate planning proposals. Yeah, we want you to give your life message. Like, what am I going to tell my kids? Hopefully my last 3 sons, hey, they're going to be lawyers. I love them to be warriors. And what is the message you send to those who follow you? Again, immigration, bankruptcy, foreclosure, we could represent you. Do not lose your home to predators. Do not lose your home because you have bad representation. Some attorneys, unfortunately, can't spell loan modification or Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Our consultations are like visiting the doctor. We listen to your story, your facts, we apply it to the law, and we give you the possible solutions for your problems. Peace.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.